Hey everybody, here I am on a new camera. This is a Sony Cybershoot DSC-W800 that I'm filming with, and I'm doing a video off this camera because this is a camera I recently bought because my Canon digital camera that I use to make videos decided to get on its last leg, but and I'm just testing the quality to see how it records. It's been a pretty good camera, even though according to the reviews. Let's see how well it holds up to like computer screens. If I can get a good focus here. So let's see. Well, I know they say the sound quality sounds like mobile phone quality, but it's just a test video of this new camera. So, what you guys think of the new camera? So, let me know what you guys think.